Hey guys, it's Elisa with WTI. Have you ever heard this quote? I always judge a man by his shoes and his watch. You want to be judged the right way? That's why I'm going to show you these shoes I just got from my husband. I've been loving these shoes by Temeshu. These are the men's boots. I love these shoes because they are very high quality. You're going to see the material and you're going to see the stitching as well. I like that they're slip proof. It even has cushion on the soles, making it super comfortable and soft when you wear them. My husband loves wearing both of them. These two colors are super practical because you can literally match everything. And you can either dress them up wearing a suit. You can also look stylish whenever you're wearing your jeans by wearing these shoes. You're going to notice that you can either lace them up or you can put them on and take them off by using the zipper on the side. My husband personally loves using the zipper on this side because he doesn't have to lace them up when he puts them on. They're super easy to wear. They're super easy to put on and take off. And I also like that they are high quality. They're thoughtfully made since you can see the stitching, you can see the insole and the soles and the lining in the inside. These boots are high quality, and Temeshu has a variety of other beautiful shoes and boots. You choose. I highly recommend you to check them out, and that is our point of view.